from SMB right? So today's before we are going to our next training session, which is Naukri training, we have Swati, who is an expert in that. She will be guiding us through the process, right? So I just want to request you all, like for our previous two sessions, any positivity you have got from that, any new inputs, anything to share? So you unmute yourself. Is my voice audible to you all? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, it's audible.
It's audible. Thank you, Mr. Rasdeep. Right. So any highlightings which can I expect from your end? I request you to please be a little bit participative.
This is my first session. I don't have anything to contribute.
Right, no issues, Mr. Rasdeep. And others, Nidhi ji, Rajan ji.
Hello, Suma.
Hi Suma, how are you?
No, I am Nidhi.
Oh, acha, Nidhi. Sorry. Hi Nidhi, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm doing great. So Nidhi, any highlighters?
Your last session is very inspiring, and I started checking Economic Times website so I can be updated.
Nice, superb.
I did all
Great.
these things like.
Great. Thank you, Nidhi. Right. So so let us start today's session. So I will be very precise because the main chunk of it, Swati will be taking the time, right? So ours is Naukri searching, right? So before going to the Naukri searching part and everything, firstly we must know what exactly to search for. Client will be giving, they will be sharing us one thing, delivering one or two requirements. Along with that, what the client does is they send us a JD. Okay, learning from the JD is very essential, right? So because in a job description, normally what is there, the elaborate explanation of the requirement has been portrayed. But when I am saying it's an elaborate explanation, you will always find there are few highlighters, few catchy tags or few words. Okay, so these words are nothing but keywords which we will be using to do our searching. Am I audible to you all? Like Monica is saying I'm not audible to her. Monica,
No,
can
you
you
are
hear me?
audible. You are audible.
Yes. Thanks, Swati. Okay. So the thing is that these are the things, because in a JD you will be finding an essay sort of thing. Lot of things are there, but I cannot put the entire details of an essay while we are doing the searching part, right? So that is not done. So we have to identify few specific things. Sometimes those things will be given in bold. Sometimes the client will specify us that these are the things we need in a specific tone. These are the must-have skills and these are good to have skills. So we have to identify those must-have skills. After identifying it, now comes the mode of searching, right? Whenever you're getting a JD, please go through the JD in details. If you find difficulty to understand the JD, it's a humble request, simply speak to the CAM or your FAM, franchisee account manager, just to help you out with the understanding of the profile. It also might happen. Yes, anybody else having any question? Acha. Okay, so if just ask them what exactly is the requirement of the company, like, okay, it might happen that the client has given one JD, okay, but they haven't mentioned anything in the JD. They might have explained you verbally. Okay, that always is there in particular with the CAM who is handling the client, who is interacting with the client. So clear up till here, I suppose.
Yes.
Is it clear? Okay, fine. So let me quickly invite Swati. Okay, she will be explaining us the entire process of how to do the Naukri searching and all. And there is one drill today, end of the session. Okay, this will be ask me anything AMA session. I will be requesting each and every participants to be very much active and cooperative in that, because we will be asking you questions. It will be a live question, and if needed, I repeat, if needed, we will be doing a live exercise for that, right? So over to you, Swati.
Somehow looks like there is an issue with your voice.
Sorry, I skipped that. Thank you, Mr. Kunal. Anuradha, am I audible? Actually, Swati will be explaining you the Naukri searching part, right? So she is taking the pattern right now. Swati, over to you.
Swati left.
Swati is here. Swati is here.
तारो मारो सेम ही लिया नहीं जो Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Swati. Yes, Swati. Yes, Swati.
What disconnected?
No issues. No issues.
Okay, so should I start?
Please, please, please take it ahead.
Yeah, hi everybody. Myself Swati from SMBA Consultant. Going to like give you a portal training of Naukri.com. Mainly, it will consist of 3 segments: portal search, job posting, and mass mailing. So I'll start today from portal search. So I have to share my screen also with you. Is my screen visible to everybody?
Yes, Swati.
Hello.
Yes, visible.
It's visible.
So in our subscription, there are 2 types of searches. One is advanced search, and within advanced search, there is one more search is there, which is Boolean search. And hello.
It's breaking sometimes.
Just a second.
Yes, yes. So meanwhile, I will be requesting you people, right? It will be helpful for you.
Is it open now, Shomu?
Yeah, superb, superb. Please carry on.
So in Naukri, there are mainly 3 Booleans and or not much kilometer. So some locations are coming Ahmednagar, Navi Mumbai. So we can include all those locations also. So in Naukri, we can use IMAP in this way. We can take any locations, and if client is considering nearby candidates also within 100, 150, 200 kilometer, we can click other locations within this thing, 150, 200, 250, and we can select include all. There are a few more technical things in additional details. Candidate category. Sometime clients are considering only female candidates. We can put female candidates from there, only female candidates, or only male candidates. Okay, or all candidates. Sometimes client are considering physically disabled, means differently able candidates. Okay, so we can put there. If the criteria is differently able candidates, means male or female, anything, we can put all candidates and differently able, both this thing. If client is considering female candidates, female physically able candidate, we can put female candidate and differently able candidate. One opening is there, no, Shomu, where they are taking female and physically disabled candidate. One IT opening is there, right? Hello.
Yes, yes, Swati.
Yes,
VP full stack.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
There is one opening.
Only female. There is another vacancy.
Yeah. Female. Yeah. If we put all candidates and physically disabled candidate, we'll be getting male and female physically disabled candidate. Okay. If we want to search only female candidates, we can put only female candidates. Work permit, these two things mainly used for international opening, work status and work permit. Educational details, we all know. We can select educational details from here. Any graduate, specific graduate, BTech, engineering, diploma, hotel management. If considering 12th candidate, 12th candidate, we can select request. If put here year of graduation, PG qualification if required, any PG or specific anything, any MTech, chartered accountant, ICWA, MCA. And this is resume activeness. 1 year means the candidate has activated, modified his resume within 1 year. 9 months means candidate has modified his CV within 9 months. So accordingly, we can select 3 months, 4 months, 2 months, 15 days. Notice period. If we need immediate joiners with those who are serving notice period or who can join immediately 15 days or less, we can change from this thing notice period. Hello.
Yes, we can.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, Swati,
Okay.
please continue.
Yes, Swati, you're audible.
Suppose we got this JD from Verity. Okay. So this is for an usual opening, ongoing opening of underwriter. We can use advanced search for this opening. Underwriter, underwriting. Keywords maybe like they are candidate should have experience in loan origination. So we can put loan excluding keywords. We may put in excluding keywords we may put modification because Verity will not consider any candidates from loan modification background. We may put loan modification here and exclude keywords. Salary we can put from 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Salary can go up to 10. We have opening for underwriter and senior underwriter for both junior and senior underwriter profile also. So locations are like they are mainly taking now they are taking candidates from Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore. Verity needs immediate joiner. So we can put currently serving notice period 15 days or less, 1 month. Suppose this CV, this candidate is working as EVS mortgage underwriter. If we are not getting CVs from EVS mortgage, we can refine the search. We can give EVS mortgage here also for refining the search. If you are not getting relevant CVs. After page number 1, most probably we'll be getting like the CVs will not we will not get from EVS mortgage. We can put EVS mortgage for refining the search. So he is working. He has knowledge of loan origination, and he is working in EVS mortgage underwriting. If any client is specific about experience, we can put experience here. Like minimum experience should be of 2 years. We can put here. Maximum, if they are looking for 7-8 years, we can put here years of experience. This is functional area. In functional area, whenever needed, we can put like which function we are looking for: accounting, or any architect, interior designer, or candidate from restaurant management, content editors, journalists, banking, insurance. And suppose we require candidate from, for variety, from LT source. So we can put LT source here. LT source can be current employer, can be previous employer, can be current or previous employer. So now we'll be getting all the CVs from LT source. So by using this thing, we can put current employer or previous employer or previous employer. If you click employers, you'll be getting from the target company. Client sometimes specify some company name they require from this company, so we can put the company name in employers. Exclude employers. Sometimes there is some no poach agreement between some companies, so they are providing exclude employers also, that they will not be taking from any specific company. So we can put here the company name, suppose ABC. So if the candidate is currently working in that company, so the client will not take that candidate. So we can put current employer ABC. So it will exclude all the candidates from that specific company. AB means if there is some no poach agreement between that specific client, so it will exclude the search. Designation. Here we can put some, if we are looking for some specific designation, suppose we can put underwriter here also, or mortgage underwriter. Current designation or previous designation. by putting the designation, we are getting less CVs because candidate Naukri is matching only the designations, and also I have mentioned we need candidates from LT source. That's why we are getting less CVs. So if we put underwriter in any keywords or underwriting, it will broaden our search, and we can take reference also. Like suppose the candidate is not working in core underwriting, but he is coordinating with the underwriter, okay, for the loan reviewing things. So we can take references from them also. From there, we can search specific resume title or excluding keywords means we can exclude that specific keywords in the resume title or key skills or resume synopsis or enter resume. Suppose if we want to put any keywords like here a loan modification, we can select either resume title or resume means enter resume or resume synopsis. So if I select enter resume, so that keyword will be excluded in the whole resumes. Is there any questions till now?
Swati,
Yeah, Chanchalji.
as you said, no, if you're in the excluding part, if I mention that loan modification, so from the entire resume, so that particular word will not exist. So you mean to say that resume will not come up which is mentioned, which
The
the word keyword
the
loan.
candidate who has mentioned loan modification word in the resume, that will not come.
Oh, okay, I got.
Okay, there is some risk also, Chanchaldi, here, because sometimes the candidates like they mention multiple keywords in their resume, like loan modification, loan origination, loan setup are under, and means sometimes the resume we are getting of underwriting, but he has mentioned everything, means loan modification, loan origination, loan setup. Some candidates are mentioning all the keywords in their resume, so it
Yes,
will
they do.
exclude that. It will exclude that resume also.
Okay.
Okay, but if you are in hurry to search a good resume, there is, if there is some means time given, that sometime Shomo says that we have to share CVs within 1 hour, within 2 hours, so it will help. Exclude keywords will help.
Hmm.
Team, clear up till here? Anything? Any questions anybody is having? Okay, Anuradha is having one question. So for you, Swati, can you please help her to explain this Boolean search once again?
Yes. Hello. Yeah, Anuradha.
Swati, actually, Anuradha was
Yeah,
if you can
yeah. So
explain her this Boolean search.
Yeah, in Boolean search, what we do, like if we are looking for candidates, like for underwriter, okay, we can put underwriter and not loan modification. Means we are not taking candidates from loan modification, so we can put not loan modification within double inverted comma, and after that, after and we can put as variety is taking loan origination. Both the experience is required, underwriting and loan origination.
Is it clear, Anuradha?
actually, I am unable to see the screen. I just want to any one example on the screen if you can share. No?
Actually, team, Swati is having some issue in her net. Okay, so she's unable to do the screen sharing. Just give us 2 minutes time. Okay, so else I will be doing the screen sharing from my end. Please be there for 2 minutes.
So we are waiting for.
Just a second. I'm trying to connect it through my end. Just I need few seconds. All?
Yes, Shomo.
Yes, yes, yes. Shantini, can I request, can you share me the OTP, please? Shantini?
Yes, Shomo, just a minute.
Yes, please, please.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes, it's visible, Swati.
Yeah, we can use Boolean here, right? Like we are looking for underwriter, right? And not from loan origination. So we can put underwriter, not loan origination. Either we can exclude it, the keyword, or can put not also. So by putting not, we will be getting means excluding the keywords loan modification. So we can put in we can use the keyword not, or else like in advanced search, if we exclude this keyword means loan mod, we will get the same result.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
Swati, I think if we put this like underwriter, not loan origination, it will take three different keywords. I think we will get all the profiles including underwriter loan origination as well.
I'm not understanding your point. Can you
Yes.
please repeat it? Your
Correct me
voice
if
is
I'm
breaking.
Okay, what she meant is your query is not working because it pulled the profiles which has the underwriter loan originator as well.
Yeah, means you were telling that
No,
Underwriting, and as well as you put not and then loan origination, right? So that does not work.
loan origination. That should be, I think, in this.
No. It should be, I think, not and then there shouldn't be single quote.
underwriter, not loan modification, right? Space will be there.
Oh, what is it? The script should be like.
So yeah, tell me now, Anuradha. Hello, Anuradha. Yeah, Anuradha, am I audible?
Yes. Now it is audible.
Yeah. Tell me, what are you asking? Means you were asking that you are getting CVs. You are not audible.
No, I just want that search how to get, because I have not.
Can you please write it in Zoom group chat? So if we try underwriter not loan origination, we will get underwriter. But we need candidate should have knowledge of loan origination as well as underwriting. We can put here underwriter and loan origination, not loan modification. Means we need underwriter. From the candidate should have experience in loan origination also. So we can put and here and loan origination. Is it clear? We can put and here, and.
Swati, can I give one small input here? For
Yeah, sure.
Acha, can you recollect there was one vacancy which I shared with Silverline, in which it was showing that Java or SQL or Oracle. Can you recollect, everybody, that particular vacancy with Silverline? Right? Only Chanchalji remembers it. Rest, Anuradha, Kunalji. Java or Oracle or SQL, like SQL. Remember that vacancy which I shared? Now it's paused now. Java or Oracle or yes. Right. There was one vacancy. It was a couple of months ago. Now it has been closed. So this particular Boolean search, we can jolly well use that time. Java or Oracle or SQL. Yes, Kunalji. That's the thing. So this is just an update, like what Swati was explaining you all. So, hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
Shoma.
yes. So that we can use this particular thing with the help, find out profile with the help of Boolean search. Like when the client specifies us that either this skill sets, these two skill sets, I don't want this skill sets, that time Boolean search is the only option for us. Right? Over to you, Swati, then.
Hello? Yeah, is there any query till now?
Team, is it clear till now what Swati has explained us?
Yes.
It's clear. Any questions? Be it any kind. So team, as I announced when I started this, I will be requesting one or two random people kindly share your screen, and this is a drill, like you have to show us what exactly you learned. It will be hands-on example for us both and eventually all. Right? So can I request anybody from the team, any volunteers, or shall I randomly pick someone who will be explaining what? Any volunteers? Kunalji, over to you, Kunalji. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, Kunalji. I thought that there is some issue in my laptop. Okay. So, Kunalji, can I request you to help us with this small session?
Can you share?
Screen share. You can share the screen of yours. So for the next 5 minutes, Kunalji will be our teacher. Take any vacancy of your liking.
There is some issue with the script. I'll try turn off Boolean.
Sir, Kunalji, I can view your screen.
Yes, so there is some issue with the script what I wrote, so I'm just correcting that.
Acha, can you quickly go to the must-have skills in that particular mail which I've shared you?
Yes, yes, going through that.
You can use that as keywords for starters.
Yeah, so that's what, right? Salesforce and velocity development.
No, just below it. Just scroll it down once. Yes, this is the one. This is the one.
Which one?
Screening questions.
Salesforce velocity.
Velocity will be one. Velocity developer, Salesforce or SFDC will be one.
Yes.
Okay, industry specification, if you can make it like a healthcare or insurance or pharma, will be one.
Yes.
Right, so these are the skill sets for preliminary screening. You can do it.
Kunalji, just want to tell you, in qualification, you can choose BCA or MCA. Here it's mentioned and. Remove and, put or. BCA or MCA.
Yes.
Put IT in industry, put IT and then refine the search by healthcare and other things. After that, search resumes, click on the search button.
The spelling was wrong. I was putting as a velocity. No, but again.
Kunalji, you can also see in that particular, after that minimal qualification part, working experience with Velocity Omniscript or Velocity Data Raptors or Velocity Card and Velocity Integration Procedure.
Yes, I added velocity as a must-have now.
Must have, yes. Velocity should be must
Now
have.
it's in, yeah, velocity platform developer.
Yes, SFDC and Salesforce or like same thing.
Yes.
It will be
1 year SFDC, right? And more is velocity.
Velocity platform. Yes.
Kindly modify your search once. Like go to modify search.
Yes.
I think I've given the target company also.
Yeah, 2 times you have given velocity. Either put it in like if velocity is a must-have skill, put it in all the keywords, only in all the keywords.
Now do the searching.
Must the problem is when we are putting SFDC and lightning, right? Then we are not getting the most of the developers don't have the velocity, because that's why I put both. See, simple. I'll show you.
There will be I think. Yes, it's there. It's there.
If I remove this must have, this guy don't have the velocity experience. She also don't have the velocity
Yeah,
experience.
because you have given velocity in any keywords. So
Yes.
which
I'm
can
moving
you please tell me? Can you please tell me which thing you will require? SDFC, sales, lightning, and velocity. 3 things. All 3 things.
Yes, all three things are required.
Yes, all the three is a must-have.
Then
So
all the 3 things should be in must have. But are you getting CVs by putting 3 things in all the keywords?
we are mostly getting SFDC and velocity both. Okay, and lightning is very few.
So you have to ask the candidates then.
Yes, or else we can put all the must have. That let me try that way. Okay.
All the keywords.
Yes,
Yes,
please
yes.
write in all the keywords.
And delete this. Any keywords.
Kunalji, can you omit this part anywhere in India, the location part? Please delete that part from here only. No need to modify.
Yeah, I did.
And the industry also. From here only. Deselect that industry.
Yeah, I did. Still, it's only 3 resumes.
See, I think there is some
Error.
some error because number will be much more.
Right, we put this velocity, lightning, and SFDC. Okay. So those who have added that, what I generally do is, right, this lightning portion, we have to ask separately, because some or the other point they do work with this lightning, and I think lightning is not in not specifically they mentioned that they need they need a 1 year of experience in Salesforce, up to 2 years in velocity, and that's it. So that probably enough. The lightning is not that mandatory.
Yes, please omit this part lightning, Kunalji, because I am going through the JD.
Lightning component. We need a lightning component.
Means knowledge will do. Working experience not required in lightning.
Exactly. So if I remove this lightning, right, then I might get good profiles.
Omit this lightning part.
And you have to ask all the candidates whether they have knowledge in lightning or not.
Kunalji, omit the qualification part as well.
Okay, but the qualification they specifically
omit it. Let's try now. Omit the qualification.
Resume activeness is also of 7 days.
Yeah, that I generally put because
In 97 days is, of course.
That means he is actively looking for the job.
Actively for a change. Yes, yes. Perfect, perfect. Simply search it now.
Yes.
Yes. Now it's coming in good shape. See, this person, Monica, this lady, is having classic lightning velocity. The first CV from Infosys.
Yes, that's what they. It's a different phrases.
Spelling, yes.
Yeah, even they use the web component. Only they put the web component as well sometimes.
Yes, exactly, exactly. So here we will be getting the perfect match out of 40 in 7 days.
Yes.
And we can also go with the similars as well. Can you please open this Monica CV once, Kunalji?
Yeah. So now I'm leaving this and I'm sending it to you.
You have to have a word with this lady.
Yeah.
Right, right. So you can have a word after this call. This lady is she's a Salesforce Lightning developer.
Yeah,
Okay, so
development that is good. Lightning applications, web components.
yeah, and I want to check one or two more things. Web, she's into web enterprises. Services, web enterprises, she's having. So this
Yes.
is a perfect match.
Yes.
Only thing is, I need the certification if it is mentioned anywhere. Down the lane, anywhere.
No.
She might not use that term. She might use a logo as well, or somewhere. I don't know what these candidates they do. So then, in that case, we have to speak to this lady. Is she having this certification or not? Developer classic good execution configuration validation. This is ICDC using on building to cache integration. Acha. Can you please scroll down once, Kunalji? Good experience and says dashboard integrity. Just scroll down at the end of the CV.
Can you share this requirement to me?
It has already been shared.
Where is she working?
She is working with Avni, Avni Netsys.
Sorry.
Now you can check in her Naukri profile also if she's having any certification or not. She can mention in the Naukri profile and not in the CV also, if that's a thing. Next one.
No.
No, she hasn't mentioned. So I'm pretty sure that she doesn't have it. Then again, we can always call her up, right? Capgemini is a targeted company. We can call this lady. Okay, this is a very good example. I think it's clear, Kunalji.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for this support from your end. And let me quickly move on to the next person in the line. Who wants to volunteer for this? Anyway, yes. Swati. I have one question to Swati. Is any effects in searches? Swati, Nipa, can you help Nipa with the answer of it?
I'm not understanding your question.
Anipa, please
Can you
unmute yourself and shoot away the question.
Swati, I just wonder that inverted comma is having many criteria in
yes,
search it.
yes,
Okay, good
yeah.
question.
Because like if you put, suppose I'm writing here, two words will be searched, loan and
Screen not
origination.
audible.
Okay,
Swati, screen not audible.
screen not audible.
Not visible, I think.
Visible,
No,
not
I am not.
visible.
Chanchaldi, I am not showing
Not
my
visible.
screen.
Screen not visible.
Chanchaldi, I am
Swati is
writing
using
in
the
Zoom
chat.
group chat.
Okay, okay.
Loan origination. Suppose the word is loan origination, Chanchaldi or Nipa. Okay, if I put loan origination like that, Naukri will search to loan origination. But if I put inverted comma, only one word will be searched.
Okay.
Double inverted comma, loan origination.
Okay, Swati.
Thank you, Swati. Acha, Swati, I am having one question. Can I ask? It's a simple one.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, this is a question normally everybody has. Okay, what is the difference between all the keyword and any keyword? This is a very common question.
All the keywords means like must have skills. Multiple, can be one.
Okay.
And any keywords means either or.
Okay. So does it mean that if this keywords which we are placing here, that particular keyword must be present in the Naukri profile, or it should be mentioned in the CV, or it's both?
Should be mentioned in the CV.
It
Entire
should
CV.
Entire CV. Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with the Naukri profile.
All keywords means must have skills. Like the skills which we require. Like that last time Kunalji like gave one search, right, for SDFC, Velocity. So two
Right.
are must have skills there. Velocity and SDFC.
Okay.
And if there is anything, either Velocity or SDFC, suppose, we can put in any keywords, SDFC or and Velocity.
Okay.
All the keywords means must have skills.
Achha. Okay. Which is mentioned in the CV and the JD. That's the thing. Simultaneously. Great.
And this keyword, Naukri searches this keyword in the entire resume of the candidate.
Okay. Clear now. Thank you, Swati, for this clarification. Actually, this question is from Vaishli. He asked me, I said that this will be in this session only. So Vaishli, I think it's clear to you all over again?
Yes, sir.
Great. So satisfied? No other questions, I suppose? Vaishli?
Yes, sir.
Any queries?
No, sir.
Superb. So I will be requesting anybody from my internal team. So if they can share their screen and help us with one of the random searches with any existing client. Anybody wants to volunteer? Nipa? Why? We will be trying this out, whatever things we learn today, right? And it's a simple task. Any queries you are having, anybody from our entire family, please make a note of it and address this issue to us in our next session. Clear up till here? Acha. Acha, okay. Fair enough. So, team, let us end today's session. And before ending, I want to tell few things. We will be sharing a. Am I audible to you all? I think.
Yes, Shomo.
Acha,
Yes.
acha.
Yeah, audible.
Okay. So we will be sharing you one new schedule to all. Okay, this is the entire session and everything. Fine. So I need your feedback. Okay, and also I will request you all to give some inputs. Okay, please give some inputs so that if we are lacking anywhere, we can rectify ourselves, or any topic you want for us to address or for us to explain. Okay, that suggestion is open-heartedly welcome from you all. All right.
Chanchal ji is having one question.
Acha, Chanchal ji is having a question. Okay. Swati, please take it forward.
चंचल जी, बुलियन सर्च में देखो क्या होता है, यहाँ पे बुलियन अगर दोगे तो ये सब एक्सक्लूड कीवर्ड वगैरह जो रहता है ना इसमें एडवांस सर्च में, इट ऑल एक्सक्लूडेड मींस ये ऑल कीवर्ड्स, एक्सक्लूडिंग कीवर्ड्स, ये सब नहीं आएगा अगर बुलियन ऑन करोगे तो। बुलियन में एक ही लाइन में सर्च देना पड़ेगा यूजिंग एंड और एंड नॉट।
Okay. ठीक.
क्लियर?
Thank you, Swati. Is it clear, Chanchal ji? I think.
Yes. Clear.
Okay. It's always the advanced search. Anuradha. See, we cannot every time specify that this is needed or this particular search is.
Yeah,
essential.
basically it depends on the JD, client's
Depends on the
requirement.
It's completely subjected to the requirement which we are having. Okay. Acha, Monica has raised her hand. Monica, please unmute yourself.
Swati, sometimes some clients has some specification like colleges, boards. तो क्या आप बोल पाओगे कैसे सर्च करना होता है बोर्ड्स वगैरह, जैसे सीबीएसई से कोई क्लाइंट बोलते कि हमें इसी बोर्ड से कैंडिडेट चाहिए होता है एंड आईसीएसई होता है, कॉलेजेस होता है।
अच्छा,
Monica, for like ICSC, CBSE, I'm just giving you one suggestion. Suppose for Kolkata, right? Monica, for Kolkata, we require like graduate fresher. Okay. Graduate, or if we can put MBA also. If they specifically candidate client अगर मतलब specifications देता है कि we need candidate from means convent background, ICSE, CBSE board. Sorry, I have not shared my screen. Visible?
yes,
Yes,
Hello?
Swati, visible. Yes, Swati, visible.
Suppose suppose we require MBA fresher candidate. So normally we put fresher here and MBA Kolkata, all these things, and if we require from ICSE CBSE background. I am doing this thing. I don't know whether it is like you are also you have tried this or not. ICSE, CBSE or Kendriya Vidyalaya.
So we need to do just refine search, right?
Search within resumes. Refining. Great, great.
Monica, we are getting candidates from ICSE. He did his 10th from ICSE. Or we can put ISC also. She is also from ICSE background. She did his 10th from Julian Day School, ICSE. So we can try this. Is it clear, Monica?
Clear, Monica?
Clear, clear.
Okay. Super, super. Thank you, Swati, for your time and your knowledge sharing among us, right? So, team, anybody, if you are having any doubts, any queries, right? We are open for it. Acha, one thing I missed. Ankita asked this question because she. Sorry, no. It's not Ankita. It's Anuradha. What is it? I missed one. Just a second, huh? I am facing this. Acha. Ankita. Okay, I need training on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, please. Naukri. You that now LinkedIn session. Okay, but I don't think that very next day we are having. But let us jot down the plan. Okay, and Monica will be sharing you the entire thing, right? So which day we are having particular training sessions and all, the specifications part. Okay, and that time again, because previously I did take a session in LinkedIn searching and everything. I will be adding few more things, certain more inputs which I learned. Okay, so it will be good for you, I think, right? Okay. So let us finally any questions if anybody is having. Okay, so any questions? I think it's good from our end. So thank you all for joining us today. Next session, it will be another interesting one, and I request you all to please be participative, because it gives a good vibe from from our end as also, right? So thank you all, and let's join in the next session. Okay, by then, have a great weekend.